In this module, we will talk about the criteria for the selection of the inoculum. If we have a suitably developed our inoculum, then the time to transfer that inoculum, the way to transfer into the production vessel, that is very critical. So there the different criteria to judge at which level we have to transfer our inoculum. So as concerned, the physiological conditions of the inoculum when it is transferred to the next culture stage can have a major effect on the performance of the fermentation. The optimum time of transfer must be determined experimentally and then procedure established so that the inoculation with an ideal culture may be achieved routinely. These procedures include the standardization of cultural conditions and monitoring the state of an inoculum culture so that it is transferred at the optimum time in the correct physiological state. So the most widely used criteria for the transfer of vegetative inoculum is biomass such as parameters as packed cell volume, dry weight, wet weight, turbidity, rate of respiration, residual nutrient, concentration and morphological form. These are the different criteria which have to be standardized for the transfer of inoculum. So the criteria which may be monitored online are the most convenient parameter to be used as an indicator of good quality inoculum. That is the dissolved oxygen, pH, and the oxygen and the carbon dioxide in effluent or in exhaust gas. So the Parton and Willis in 1990 advocated the use of carbon dioxide production rate (CPR) as a transfer criteria which require the analysis of fermentation effluent air. So this approach is suitable only when transfer is being made from the fermenter. So these workers provide an excellent example of the effect of inoculum transfer time on the productivity of the streptomycetes as a secondary metabolite, as you will see in the next slide. So in this slide you see that as those workers reported about that the effect of inoculum age on the growth and the productivity of that. So as concerned the CPR, you see that the time, and this is that different, so at stage 0, 1, 2, and these are the 3 levels. So at 3 levels the inoculum are removed when the CPR amount is 2, CPR amount is 8 and CPR amount is 5, and that different age of that. You can see here that how the CPR, carbon dioxide production rate, and the time in hours, and mid, late and early inoculum. So 1, 2, 3 stage. So as concerned these 3 stages and their CPR production, you can see in this slide what is their effect on the productivity. So the effect of inoculum age on the growth and the productivity of the streptomycetes. You can see that if there is late inoculation and the product concentration of streptomyces very less productive. When they use the early or the mid inoculum, then they have a very suitable rate of the productivity. So by this graph you can say that how the inoculum age is effective on the production rate. So the transfer rate when the inoculum is developed in a suitable amount to that. So although the time of the transfer had only a marginal influence on the biomass in the production fermentation, but the effect on the product formation is very critical. So when we have to transfer the inoculum, that time and the age of that inoculum is very critical.